promise, Vedant to improvement promise that okay there will be an improvement.
काय
अगर नहीं हुआ, आपने नुस्खे देखे होंगे guaranteed
क्लास
वाले. Okay, most of the students are saying yes. So yes, it is
हाँ.
a promise. It is a Vedanta promise that you are going to see
तिकडच्या
an
खोलीत येऊ का?
improvement in your child.
हे पण
And
नाही.
the thing is that if you are like you have been regular with the classes.
यशवंत
And if not,
देशमुख
no
बरं का?
question asked.
कालच मी पाहिलं होतं देशाचे मुख्य.
And पढ़ाई में एक ही चीज गारंटी है, that is improvement in your studies. And नहीं भी होगा, होगा जरूर. Okay, that we are guaranteeing you that there will be a full proof guarantee. Okay, so let me first introduce you myself with the topic that with me first of all. So how many of you all have like know me well? Like, do you know me well? Like, have you all seen this face somewhere? Or like some of the students they might be like an old one. So okay, most of the students know me well, but some of the students I am new for them. So I am Ms. Bhumika Sharma and I am a BTech, BA, DLED and whatnot. I've taught more than 10, I am having more than 10 years of experience. And also one thing that here we are going to have very fun-filled, engaging sessions. So first thing that I want to ask you all, is this your first live class with Vedantu? See everyone, this is really an important task because some of the students might not be aware with all the tools that we are going to use, and we'll get to know about those tools. So I need all of your participants, that participation, that agar you are there, so you must be aware with these tools. Okay? If you like it's your first class, then yes, I would love to tell you that these are some of the hotspot questions. These ABCD that I asked you all now, that are hotspot questions. Okay, so I'm just going to end up the session. Okay, very good. End up the poll is here. Okay, 50-50 hai yahan par, right? Quick introduction deti hu main. Okay, over here the chart is private, but if you join Vedanta Improvement Plan, then what will happen is that over there we'll be able to chat, we'll be able to have face-to-face studies, that is through videos, and there also you will be able to solve your doubts instantly. Over here we have class teachers, very efficient class teachers with us. So they will be solving over here all your doubts, and we will be conversing with each other through hotspot. Real-time performances will be analyzed on the basis of live quiz, which will happen right now, and also the fastest finger list. All the questions are quiz questions, so stay tuned if you want to enjoy. Okay. And one more thing, that overall class and overall points that you have earned will be depicted through this leaderboard. If you can see the leaderboard on the screen, this leaderboard is blank right now, but whenever you will attend the quizzes, this will be shown from time to time, and you can see and judge yourself from the performances. Right, everyone? So are you all with me right now? Yes or no? Please tell me, are you all with me? Are you all with me? Because the whole session is of a quiz right now. Okay, most of the students are there with me. So let's begin. But first question that I want to ask is that let's have some like mind brainstorming, right? Penny has 5 children. First is January, second is kid February, third kid is called March, fourth is called February. What is the name of fifth? Okay, so you have to tell what
January,
is the name
February,
of
March,
fifth. Okay,
April,
so
May.
read the statement carefully. That Penny has 5 children. First is January, second is February, third is March, fourth is April. What is the name of fifth? And here we start. Let's see how many of you are having all this सात ताले यार. Okay, हर एक किसके सारे के सारे इंद्रियां, like whites are all working together. Okay, how many of you can be on the leaderboard? Let's see, because there is a huge competition. I'm having many students right now, so let's see how many of you are there on the leaderboard. Okay, so I'm giving you 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's check how many of you have answered correctly. Only 1 or 2 students, maybe 8 to 7 students are correct, right? And we have the fastest finger list, that out of those 8%, many students, out of those, how many of you are there on the fastest finger list? Okay, so as you can see that what is the name of the fifth child, because there is no question mark, question mark, apostrophes, comma, they play an important role, right? So what is the name of fifth child? There's no question mark. Okay, it's just a statement, right? Okay, so mathematics, tell me about students with some famous infamous quotes that mathematics is not about numbers, it is about understanding. समझ में आना चाहिए. Okay, and every problem has a solution. So I'm here giving you all a link which is broadcasted over here. So if you want to, you can join the Vedantu improvement plan using this coupon code. It has a surprise discount in it. Okay, surprise discount is, so if you want, you can begin with it. And here we have the coupon code. So if you want, you can use this coupon code and you can join Vedantu improvement plan, wherein you'll be having very, very, very important activities. Okay. So today we will be covering addition. We will be covering the quiz with addition, because next is your quiz. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick introduction. Okay, addition, then we will be covering subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so there are some keywords with addition that whenever you have to find out the total, whenever you have to find out the altogether thing, whenever you have to find out the total strength, then you always call doctor addition. Doctor addition will be there. Okay, if you want to find out that how much things are left with me, कितनी चीजें बची हैं, difference, then we call doctor subtraction, right? When we multiply, when we have to perform repeated addition, then we call multiplication doctor. What does it do? The problem says that कि आपको क्या होगा, आपको बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं दी होगी, आपको एक चीज की कॉस्ट ली होगी एंड बहुत सारी चीजों का आपको आइटम्स का आपको वैल्यू निकालनी होगी. ओके, और डिविडेंड में डिवीजन डॉक्टर डिवीजन क्या कहते हैं? ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपके पास बहुत सारी चीजें दी हुई हैं और उनकी क्वांटिटी भी दी हुई है, तो आपको सिर्फ एक आइटम के बारे में जब निकालना होता है तब आप डिवीजन फॉलो करते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर गिवन विद मेनी क्वांटिटीज एंड यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द one quantity only, then you can call doctor division. So the first question is, okay everyone, so the first question is, what is the sum of 67,890 and 76,980? Okay, so you have to find out the sum. Always remember, when we find out the sum, don't forget to call the correct doctor. Okay, अदरवाइज ऑपरेशन किसी और का हार्ट में हो रहा था, दर्द और कर दिया दिमाग का ऑपरेशन. So it's not like that, right? Call the correct and appropriate doctor for this one, right?
144870.
So I'm just going to ask you all, are you all ready with your answers now? क्या आप लोग ready हैं अपने answers के साथ? Okay, most of the students are not ready, so I'm going to wait. We're just going to wait for like 10 seconds, right? After 10 seconds, I'll ask you all again.
माझं वेदांतचं चालू आहे बरं का.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let me just ask you all, are you all ready now with your answers? Because I am going to soon begin with the quiz. Okay? The first question of this particular quiz is, Devya Sajjano, ye raha aapke samne. 3, 2, 1. Be ready everyone.
Yes.
And you have 30 seconds. आपके पास अभी भी 30 seconds है, so don't worry. Okay? Okay.
मावशी दिसशील बघ
Great.
कॅमेऱ्यामध्ये.
Use response. 20 seconds left, everyone. Countdown is going up and up and up. So we can see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Very good. So here we have the fastest finger list, which says that greens are the ones who have given the correct and appropriate
Yes, I am
answer
the
that
winner.
in very less amount of time.
माझे
And
पॉइंट झाले
D
बाप्पा
is the
6-0.
correct answer, everyone. Okay, the correct answer is D. Okay. Well, how does D says? Because sum. Whenever we talk about sum, we always call doctor addition. Okay. We always call doctor addition. Okay. When we have to find out the sum, doctor addition is always there to the rescue. Okay. So 0 plus 0, 9 and 8 is 17. 17 plus 7 we are going to keep here. 1 as carry. Then we'll have
मला
18. 1
scholarship
as
त्याच्यामुळे
carry.
भेटलेली.
6 and 7.
मी तेच
30.
दिलं
13
होती ती
plus 1.
मागते.
Don't forget
मग
to
मला
add the carry.
भेटली.
Okay.
एवढी
4,
सोपं होतं का
40.
काय?
Then we have
इतका
carry.
अवघड होतं
Then
तरी
it is
ऍडिशन
also again
सबट्रॅक्शन मला
40.
लई सोपं.
And then this one carry will be added over here. And D is the correct answer.
मॉक
Okay,
टेस्टला
everyone?
मला आउट
Next
पडले
question.
एक मुलगा 7वीचा आहे त्याचा लई फास्ट आहे बरं का लई फास्ट करतो.
What is the difference of this number and this number? Okay. For your information, let me just tell you that you always find the difference by keeping bigger number on top and smaller number at the bottom. Okay, so now I've given you a hint. Now people can begin with it. Okay, right? Okay, let me just ask you all through a simple poll. Are you all ready? Like, I'm just getting an idea so that how much like I have to wait. Okay, so I'm just getting a rough idea that how you people have to wait. Okay, so the thing is ki I'll be giving you 10 seconds more. Okay, and 30 seconds to answer, so you still have 40 to 50 seconds with you. Okay,
40.
and after this question I'm going to show you the leaderboard. Okay, अभी तक आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कितनी चल रही है, ठीक है? आपको डिफरेंस निकालना है 44,444 और 87,345 के बीच में. ओके, ठीक है? Okay, so 10, 9. After this, I'm going to ask you all 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me just ask you all through a poll. Are you all ready? क्या आप लोग ready हैं? This quiz session total a quiz session. Okay. Okay, so I'll give you 30 seconds to answer, everyone. आपको 30 seconds है आपके पास. You can do it. I know. Okay?
नहीं.
So ready? Steady? And here we go.
Yes.
Start. My God, great.
See ना?
Very good.
20
20 seconds left. 15 seconds left.
10,
10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay. So here we have
Yes,
the fastest
Arnavala.
list, which says that greens are the ones who have given the fastest and the correct answer.
Yes,
Very good.
140
And
points.
C
Yahoo!
is the correct option. The correct
Yes.
option is C, everyone.
Mummy,
Okay. So how would you do
screen
that?
record
You'll
करके
keep
हमारे लिए वाद्य ताली.
87,345 over at the top and this at the bottom. And here it is written difference. What does difference mean? Difference means that you have to call doctor subtraction. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. 4 minus 4 is 0. Right. Then what we'll do is 3 is less than 4. So you have to take a borrow from 7. 7 will give its value, will become 6. This will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay? Next question up here on the screen. Then after this, I'll show you the leaderboard. Okay? So there are these many girls and these many boys in a school. इतने ज़्यादा girls और इतने boys थे. How many are there total in the school? Remember I told you the keywords? Total. You have to find out the total girls and boys in the school. So when we go and find out the total, which operation do we perform? Which doctor do we call? Okay. So the number of girls in this particular school is these many girls. Okay. And the number of boys in the school are these many boys. And you have to find out the total students in the school. So remember, when we talk about total, we have to call. अब वो नहीं बताऊंगा. Okay? Right? आपको ये बताना है कि एक स्कूल है, उस स्कूल में इतने गर्ल्स हैं, इतने बॉयज हैं. आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स और बॉयज बताना है. Okay, everyone? So are you all with me? Yes or no? Are you all with me? Understanding or not? Right? Okay. So I think I should give you all time to answer this question, right? Okay. Are you all ready? क्या आप लोग ready हैं? Are you all ready? Okay, this question seems to be a little easy, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy types. Right? Okay. ठीक है. So I'm going to begin. Ready? Steady? And go.
Yes.
call? To find the total, we always call doctor addition. Okay? So 7 and 2 is 9, 6 and 4 is 10, carry 1. 5, 5, 10 and 1 is 11, 1 newer and 1 is a carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. And here we have the answer. So the answer is 44,199 students in total. Okay? Do you want to see the leaderboard? Yes or no? Do you want to see the leaderboard abhi? Yes or no? Come on, tell me. You want to see the leaderboard? Abhi kitna performance kitna chal raha hai kiska? You want to see the leaderboard? Okay, so most of the students are saying yes, I want to see the leaderboard. Okay, so I'm just showing you for like 2 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Right? Okay? Right. Next question. You have to be very fast with your eyesight, okay? Chetan ki mother pencils lekar aayi. Okay? Chetan's mom bought 23,890 pencils. Chetan used 7,290 pencils. Okay? Chetan's mother, she got some pencils, but Chetan ne kuch pencils usme se use kar li. How many pencils are left? Okay? So Chetan was having total number of pencils 23,890. And Chetan used some pencils. He used 7,290 pencils. Okay? So you have to tell how many pencils are left with Chetan. So you already know how to whom call, right? किस डॉक्टर को हमको बुलाना चाहिए? Do you know which doctor to call? Do you know which doctor to call, everyone? Come on. Okay, most of the students know this thing. Okay. So I'm giving you time. Don't worry. Okay, so let me just quickly ask you all. Are you all ready? क्या आप लोग ready हैं? या नहीं हैं? I'll give you 30 seconds. So don't worry about the time. Okay, 30 seconds are enough, I suppose, because you have had already a lot of practice for this one. Okay, most of the students are ready. So I'm going to give 30 seconds. Still have 30 seconds with you. Okay? Right? Okay, ready? Steady? And go.
Yes! Yeah!
Okay.
Yummy fastest. So that's our answer.
Wow, great. 15
Great
seconds
guy,
left,
great,
everyone.
great, madam.
You have to buck up.
I'm great.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time up. Okay. So fastest finger list is ready. So is that green?
No.
The ones
नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
answers very good. Okay, and D is the correct answer, everyone. The correct answer is D. Okay, so the correct answer is D. So you have to call subtraction. Okay, doctor subtraction, right? So how would you do that? 0. 9 means 9. You have 9 pencils and I take 9 pencils from you. We're left with nothing, and nothing in mathematics is 0. 8 minus 2. So you have 8 and then you subtract 2. Okay, so how many left? We are left with 6. 3 is less than 7, तो हम subtract नहीं करेंगे. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Borrow. We'll take a borrow from 2 and 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay? And 1 will be copied as it is, right? So the answer is 16,600. Pencils are left with Chetan now. Okay? Next question. So the question is like a tap and tap. The product of 214 and 404 is itna. Is the statement true or not? Listen class, when we talk about product, we always find, whenever we have to find out the product means you have to multiply. And multiplication is repetitive addition. Okay? So you have to multiply what? You have to multiply 214 and 404. Okay? And you have to tell whether the statement is correct or not. कि ये आंसर इसमें मैंने वो भी हम जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आंसर आएगा या नहीं आएगा. ओके राइट? अंडरस्टूड अप टिल नाउ? इतना समझ में आ गया कि आपको करना क्या है बेसिकली?
4 1 7
या
400
ओके, सो करना क्या है, आपको ये चेक करना है कि जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 214 और 404 को, तो क्या हमें ये आंसर मिलेगा। अगर ये मिलेगा तो क्लिक ऑन ट्रू, अगर ये नहीं मिलेगा तो क्लिक ऑन फॉल्स। Okay, and this is tap and tap activity. Tap and tap, this means you have to tap on the correct answer. Okay, right? Now understood everyone? What you have to do? What you have to perform? Okay, so I'm explaining in English that you have to find out the multiplication of 214 and 204, and if it comes out to be equal to this particular section of the question, then you have to click on true. अगर नहीं match होता है तो click on false. Okay everyone? So ready? Ready everyone now? Ready with your answers? Try. Okay, so I'm going to start. Let's start and let's see how many people have answered. So for your information, if you want to attempt this question properly, then you can do is आप अपना फोन को ऐसे रखने के बजाय ऐसे रखिएगा. Okay? Don't keep your phone vertical. Keep your phone like this. Okay? Keep your phone like this. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's check how many have been correct. Wow, very great. So the answer is true. Okay, very good. So we are fastest students over here, which says that greens are the ones who have given the correct answers, and that to the fastest. So the correct answer is it's false. Okay, I was just tricking you. So correct answer is false. So when you multiply 214 and 404, so you will not get this answer. Okay, right? Next
Kai.
question. So how to find out the product?
Kai,
How
Shira?
to find out the product? The correct product is this.
खाल्ला है गरम है.
Okay, you can do both ways. The correct product is this. Right, everyone? Okay. Next question. 10 kg of apples cost rupees itna. How much will 1 kg of apples cost? Okay. So now here, what they have given is they have given you the cost of 10 kg apples. यानी कि बहुत सारी चीजों का आपका क्या क्वांटिटी दी हुई है, वैल्यू दी हुई है, आपको एक चीज की निकालनी है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 10 रबर्स की कॉस्ट है 50 रुपीस, 10 इरेजर्स कॉस्ट रुपीस 50. You have to find out the cost of one eraser. So whom would you call? You will call Dr. Division. यानी division करेंगे आप, right? So over here also 10 kg का एप्पल का कॉस्ट है 670. 1 kg एप्पल्स का कॉस्ट कितना होगा? Okay? So 10 kg apples cost rupees 670. 1 kg apple का cost कितना होगा? Okay? So you have to find out. Okay. So let me just ask you all, ready हैं आप लोग? It's very easy. बहुत easy है ये वाला division. Okay, most of the students are ready. Okay, right. So I'll count from 10 to 1 and then let's see. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let me just ask you all again. Those who are not ready, so what I'll do is I'll increase the timer. ठीक है? मैं timer increase कर दूंगी. ठीक है? Okay, this way you will be able to do it better. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll give you 45 minutes, 45 seconds, sorry, 45 seconds to answer. Okay? Now you will be able to do it better. Those who are left, okay? Right, everyone? So ready, steady, and go. You have 45 seconds. You still have the chance, right? Okay. Still have time, don't worry.
नहीं
15
नहीं
seconds left, everyone.
आतोय.
Now you need to buck up. Okay, great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Okay, so here we have the fastest finger list, and the fastest finger list says that we have like all these students who are in green in color, so they are the ones who have given the correct and the fastest answers. Okay, and the answer is D. Very good. Okay, now I can see the graph going up, right? So what you will do is you will divide 10 and 670, everyone. Okay, so how would you divide, right? कैसे divide करेंगे आप लोग? So what you will do is you will find all the multiples of 10 if like they are more than 66 or less than 6. But 10 or 6 में no difference है. So we'll take 67 together. ठीक है? 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, and 10 sixes are 60, and 10 sevens are 70. So 70 is more than 67. So we'll take 6 are 60. Okay? Then 7 will be kept and 0 will be copied, right? Then 10 sevens are 70, as you already know. So the answer is 67. Okay? So the answer is 67, everyone. Right, everyone? Okay? So the answer is 67. 67 is rupees is the cost of 1 kg of apples. Okay? Next question. एक book shop है. There's a book shop and उसमें 5,058 books है. So the total number of books in the bookshops are 5,058. 9 days में. Okay, so the total number of days are 9. How many books did it sell each day? Okay, 9 days. यानी कि बहुत सारी information है आपके पास. You have to find the information of 1 day only. 9 days में 5,058 books a shopkeeper sells. वो बेचता है. How many books did it sell each day? हर दिन वो एक दिन में वो कितना बुक सेल करता है? अगर वो इक्वली बुक सेल कर रहा है हर दिन में, okay? You have to make sure this thing also, right? Okay, so tell me how many of you all have understood this question, that which operation should we perform? किसको ये समझ में आ गया कि हमें ये करना है, like हमें इसी परफॉर्म करना है? Okay, so I'm going to tell you again. इतनी बुक्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास 3 टी-शर्ट्स, ओके? यू हैव 3 टी-शर्ट्स और आप उनको सेल कर रहे हो इन 3 डेज इक्वली, ठीक है? तो आप एक दिन में कितने टी-शर्ट्स सेल कर रहे हैं? आपके पास 3 पेन है एंड यू आर सेलिंग ईच पेन ऑन एंड यू आर सेलिंग पेन्स इन
562.
तो एक पेन को आप कितने दिन
And
में
the reminder is
इन द
0.
सेम वे एक बुक शॉप है, उस बुक शॉप में 5,058 बुक्स हैं जो 9 डेज में बिक गई. दे आर ऑल सोल्ड. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हर दिन में कितने बुक्स सेल हुए. ओके, हाउ मेनी बुक्स डिड इट सेल ईच डे? नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग? या? ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर अंडरस्टूड नाउ, राइट? ग्रेट. ठीक है? So what I'll do is I'll give you 45 seconds. Ready everyone? Are you all ready? क्या आप लोग ready हैं? Right. So I'll give you ample amount of time. Those who are left to be done. 45 seconds are enough. Okay. So 5, 4. Be ready. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. You have 45 seconds with you, so don't worry.
यार
Okay, I could see.
मी फास्ट केलंय. सेकंड ला
Okay. Sometimes you people want me to speak in. Sometimes you people want to speak me in English only. I'm just confused. Okay. So I'll explain this next question in English and Hindi both. I'll keep the disclaimer that I'm keeping in Hindi or English. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up, everyone. Okay. So we have greens are the ones who have given the correct and the fastest answers. And here we have the fastest finger list.
I am the great.
Okay. Okay. And okay, C is the correct answer, everyone.
460,000.
Right? The correct answer is C. I just feel amazed to see such cute names on the leaderboard. you're bored every time on the fastest finger list. So how would you do it? Okay, कैसे करेंगे आप इसको? You're going to first keep 5,558 in the as a dividend. Divisor will be 9. Okay, 9 and 5. Can they be divided? Yes or no? Can they be divided 9 and 5? The answer is no. They cannot be divided. 9 and 5 cannot be divided. So what we will do is we will take 50. Okay. So 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. Right. So what we will do is we will take 5. 9 fives are 45. Subtract करेंगे. Okay. And then we'll find out that after subtraction we'll get 5 as the answer. Okay. Over here. Now what we'll do is we are still having digits on the right. So what we'll do is we will copy down 5. हम इस copy down करेंगे 5 को. Okay. Again we'll find out. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. So what we'll take? We'll take 9 7s are 63. No, we are going to take 9 6s are 54. Very good. Okay. So we'll take 9 6s are 54. Then we'll subtract. Then we'll again copy down 8. Then 9 1s are 9. Then 9 2s are 60. 9 2s are 80, right? So we're going to subtract and we'll get nothing as a remainder. So the answer is 562. Okay? Right? Next question. A bag has enough pebbles. How many pebbles are there in 820 bags? Pebbles means your stones. There's a bag. It has 147 pebbles. Yani ki you are finding, you are given with the pebbles in one bag. Okay? And you have to find out the pebbles in 820 bags. You are given the value of one bag and you're finding out the value of many bags. For example, the cost of one pen is 5 rupees. What is the cost of 10 pens? 50. What did you do? You multiplied, right? So the same way you have to do it here also. Okay? Right, everyone? आपको क्या करना है? आपको एक बैग में 147 पेबल्स हैं. 820 बैग में कितने पेबल्स होंगे? Okay? So instead of adding it again and again, you have a particular doctor for performing this operation. I know you can do it, and I know you have the capability of doing it.
115740. No, never. No, I don't want.
Okay. So tell me, are you all ready?
0 7 0, 0 4 0, 0 1 0.
Okay, I could see.
7 2 14,
Right.
2 4 8,
So
plus 1
I'm
9.
going to give you 45 seconds to do this question.
2.
ठीक है? मैं आपको 45 seconds दे रही हूँ करने के लिए question को. So ready, steady, and go. You don't need to be like fastest because you still have very much time with you. So just multiply and just give the accurate and correct answers. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6,
100 and
5,
हाँ.
4,
wood.
3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, let's see the fastest finger list and let's see. The greens are the ones who have given the correct and the fastest answers, right? And B is the correct answer. Okay, the correct answer is B. Okay, the B is the correct answer. So what you will do is you will multiply. It's a 3 digit by 3 digit multiplication. So first you will multiply this number with 0. Then you will multiply this number with a 2 in the next step. And then you will multiply this number by 8 in the next step. And then finally you will add. Okay, everyone? Last question.
Wow.
Bus carries 48 people. एक bus है. Okay? There's a bus. Okay? And that bus carries how many people? That bus carries 48 people. So there are 48 people in the bus. Okay? carries how many people? It carries 48 people, right? How many people will 145 buses carry? Okay,
8
so
5
it's like एक box में 4 pencil हैं. There are 4 pencils in a
32
box.
36
How many pencils will be there in 5 such boxes? Okay, so it's like bus carries 48 people. How many people will be there in 145 such buses? Okay, okay. Ready, everyone? Like, if you're ready, then I'll begin. Otherwise, we have 1 minute also. Like, I can give you 1 minute more.
6960 people. One bus.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give 45 seconds, okay? 45 seconds दे रही हूँ मैं आपको. Right? Okay, I think it's enough. Is it enough for you all? Is it enough? Like those who are still doing, I think that is enough for you all. 45 seconds are enough to answer.
Yes.
Right? Okay. ठीक है. So ready, steady,
हा
and go.
हा तिकडून घेतलं होतं आता नको आव खरं ना
Okay, we have the answers on the screen. 30 seconds left, everyone. Buck up. Come on. 20 seconds left, everyone. 10 seconds left, everyone. Countdown started. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay.
Yes,
So
Arnav,
we
Arnav
have the
Gurulekar.
fastest people in the spread.
Yes!
Says that these are the ones who will be correct and the fastest answers. And I just,
Yes, point
I
for
just cannot
100.
like, judges. I just want to appreciate you people. First of all, that within such limited time span, you are able to do each and every question. Very good, right? 5 8s are 40. Carry 4. 5 8s are 8 5s are 40. So we'll carry 4. 4 8s are 32, and 4 is 36. Right? Carry 3. Then 8 1s are 8, and 3 is 11. Right? Then we will keep a 0. 5 4s are 20. Carry 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 is 18. Carry 1. 4 1s are 4, and 1 is 5. Then you will add it up. Then you will get this answer. Okay, everyone? Right? Okay. So do you get bored while studying? Yes, you must be getting bored while studying at home. So what Vedanta Improvement promises that we will be giving you fun and engaging activities, interesting concept. You will not get bored. You will build up confidence and foundation, and also you will improve in English and mathematics. That's a promise. And one more thing that I want to convey is that we are like not able to chat with each other. You were able to chat with the class teachers. We are having special class teachers for your people to solve your doubts, right? But the thing is, whenever you will take any plan, whether it's Vedanta improvement plan or anything, then what you can do is you will be able to like chat with us. Your doubts will be solved instantly. We'll be like having fun and engaging activities and worksheets and assignments and attendance, and PT and individual attention is also given to your board or to you. And also one thing, the chapter wise notes are also provided, and PTM, personal teacher meeting or parents teacher meeting, so that I could update you all with the I would say with your board's engagement. Okay, and if you like want to join Vedantu Pro Life course, and what to do, you have to go through the link which is broadcasted over here. So I'm going to broadcast it again. As you can see, you have to go through the link which is broadcasted over here, right? And you can also see the link which is broadcasted over here. So what you will do is you have to click on this particular link, and if you want to get any coupon, any surprise, that is this discount, then you can use this coupon. Okay? अच्छा, right? And यहाँ पर है आपका leaderboard, okay? So here we have the leaderboard.
Yes,
Congratulations to
Arnav.
leaderboard winners who have
For-
got the, I would say, they're on the start, like. But the thing is, don't lose hope. One day your name will also be
Yes,
on the leaderboard. But
seven
just wait for the
letters.
time, the right time.
Yeah.
Just practice. Don't give up. Maths doesn't teach you to give up. Okay?
460.
Maths only teaches you one thing. That is that every problem has a solution. Okay? So don't ever give up. Okay, everyone? You can take a screenshot of this particular leaderboard and you can, flaunt and display it on Instagram or on WhatsApp that yes, you are there on the leaderboard. Okay, everyone, right? So if you want, you can use this code. Bye, everyone. Thank you, everyone, and thank you to the teachers, class teachers also. So bye, everyone. Namaste and Sat Shri Akal. Good night. Shabak hai.